director of membership here at the Commerce Club. Came up with, and I thought about it because I, for one, am a young professional, right? And I recognize the need for environments like this for young professionals to come together. And there's so many various organizations that are focused on connecting people and everything. But Atlanta's so big, there's so many different things going on. So I thought instead of trying to partner individually, let's bring everybody together, right? That is what the Commerce Club is about. It's about building relationships, connections, and that is how